Quick question. What do you think is the main goal of business? Profit, right? Of course, profit is important, but according to Carroll CSR pyramids, business has not only economic responsibility, but also legal, ethical, and philanthropic responsibilities. So, a modern business must care about the environment and society, not just their revenue.
And so, social responsibility basically means that company must take responsibility for the impact of everything it does. It's not just about making a profit, but also about considering everyone who is affected by the company action. Philosophically, this connects to the stakeholder theory, which say that a company exists not only for its shareholder, but must also create a value for one, its employees, customer, and society and the environment. Hence, this idea matches with John Elkington's triple bottom lines concept. There are three KPIs a company must balance to be considered truly successful. One is of people, how the company affects society and overall social well-being. Two is a planet, how the company protects the environment and minimize harm. Three is a profit, earning money but in a responsible and sustainable way. When these three are balanced, the company can be called sustainable and truly socially responsible.
SDGs are 17 global goals launched by the United Nations, focusing on social equality, economic growth, and environment protection. It's the same three pillars of sustainability. SDGs are the world's blueprint until 2030. Every stakeholder, including companies, plays a role in achieving them. So SDGs give us a clear direction on what kind of future of the world needs.
GSR is the action. SDGs are the target. This alignment is strongly supported by ESG principles, environmental, socially, governance, which are now used by investors to measure responsible business conduct. If SDGs are the destination, GSR is programmed as road to get us there. The better a company implements GSR, the more they contribute to achieving SDGs.
So, let's look at real examples that connect CSR and SDGs. For the example is Starbucks, that responsible supply chain. Starbucks supports coffee farmers through CAFE or CAFE practices, providing fair pricing and sustainability training. Starbucks supports SDG 8 and SDG 12 that implements ethical supply chain theory. So there is Unilever. Unilever's program, My Waste, My Responsibility, collects and recycles plastic while educating communities. Unilever supports SDG 13 and SDG 12 that applies the reduce, reuse, and recycle principle of sustainable production.
Indonesian Pertamina, Renewable Energy, Theory of Carbon Transition. Pertamina expands on biofuels and geothermal energy, reducing dependency on fossil fuel. Support SDG 7 and SDG 9, based on energy transition and decarbonization theory.
So this alignment improves both corporate image such as reputation management theory, investor trust, especially at ESG-driven investors, employee engagement such as social capital theory, operational efficiency through sustainable innovation, and meanwhile society receives better welfare, cleaner environment, and improved social justice, which reflects the SDGs principle that is leave no one behind.
So the conclude, CSR same as how companies act. SDGs same as what the world wants to achieve. When both are aligned, we create long-term sustainability for future generations. And as student and consumer, we can demand and support responsible company. Let's support sustainability together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.